Here I have ALCATEL Pop 4 and let me show you how to check IMEI number on the following device. So at the very beginning, if you would like to quickly check IMEI number on your phone, let's use the phone's dialer and let's use this code *#06#. As you can see, the IMEI number just pops up, tap OK to close it. Now let's check out the IMEI by using the settings, so let's open the apps icon, choose settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose about phone. Here let's find and select status. From the following options let's choose IMEI information, and here you can read your IMEI number. You can also go back and here you can read such stuff as Bluetooth address, Wi-Fi MAC address or IP address. That's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.